It's hard to be grouped, but that's what they do. That's what a lot of people do. And some people, they hear a stereotype about them and they don't care and they don't want to change it and they live up to it. And unfortunately that happens a lot, and I've seen it a lot with the Latino community. They give into it. But then some people are like, no, I've been hearing this my whole life. I've been told I'm supposed to be blue collar. And so I'm gonna go and run the company for those people who are blue collar. That is part of my drive. I don't wanna be another statistic. I don't wanna be another part of some stereotype that you're gonna group me into because of the color of my skin. And so I am working hard in my life, pushing my limits so that I can be a influence. I can be someone that another little Latina girl looks up to and sees like, if she can do it, so can I.
I think the way that stereotypes mainly affect people is it makes people angry and it stirs up emotions that can lead to more conflict than you'd think. So like just saying one little stereotype as a little tease could lead to more like fights. It affects people very, very much.
So we met one Wednesday after the conference, and then the teacher who like runs the club, Tariq, he was like, how did you guys feel about it? What was running through your mind? What did you take from it? And a lot of us were like, we just feel like we want our school to feel safer for everyone, every community. We want everyone to just feel comfortable to be here. And then we kind of led into talking about like people's experiences with racial slurs in the school. And so we had a really good meeting that day. And there was like 20 of us that were just telling our stories and like how it affected us and like what staff did or didn't do in that situation. So it was just really impactful for all of us, I feel. It's very shocking, especially when it affects you personally. Then it just kind of makes you feel like, who do I tell? Like things like that.